Welcome to Nuts and Bolts Before You Call Edition. In this series, we cover little issues that can easily be addressed before you call a technician. Let's get to it. Today's topic is about the washing machine. If the washer isn't functioning properly, there are a few quick and easy things you can try to get this appliance back up and running. If the clothes are still wet after the spin cycle, your washer could be dancing during cycles. It may have moved and kinked the hose. Check to see if the drain hose is kinked or crushed. If your drain hose is not kinked, the drain hose could be clogged with lint or hair. It can easily be cleaned with a thin, long-handled brush. If you can't find it at a hardware store, pet shops carry similar brushes to clean aquarium tubes. If you're still encountering issues with your washer, it could be a sign of an internal problem which may require some disassembly or a professional's diagnosis. But by doing a little troubleshooting yourself before you make that call can save you time and some money. I hope this information helps. Please like and share this knowledge with others and let us know your thoughts in the comments below.